There's one thing that a lot of the pro bowlers do, that collegiate bowlers do, that a lot of bowlers that throw the ball very well do. And that one thing is that they all have very good posture from the beginning of their approach, during their approach, up until the end of their approach. When I realized this personally, I was able to create more consistency with my approach and my ability to release the bowling ball. And what I now believe in is that how you set up in the beginning of your approach is very important because it influences how you move throughout your approach. If you set up in the approach in a way where you are upright, you're practicing good form, that is going to help you stay in good form during your approach up until the end of your approach where you are ready to release the bowling ball. Where if you kind of just go up there and you're kind of sloppy and you're just not thinking anything of it, then you are likely to kind of introduce weird movements during your approach. If you can set up in the beginning of your approach in a way that is repeated, in a way that is systemized, in a way that you know that this is what you usually do in the beginning. And if you can do these few things in the beginning of your setup, then that should help you create consistency throughout your approach.